Friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today video is about the beautiful wash basin designs. There you can see that the beautiful designs are available. So friends, in this video I'm going to share their latest price and which are the best brands are available in the market and what are the points to remember before purchasing these wash basins. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's start the video. A beautiful wash basins are essential bathroom fixtures that combine the functionality with aesthetic appeal. It has some beautiful advantages like first, modern wash basins comes in various designs, shapes and the materials which add style to your bathroom, whether it is a contemporary or a traditional bathroom. Even for the space optimization, options like walling or the corner basins which save the floor space, which are ideal for the small bathroom designs. Even while countertop basins offer additional storage space, so you can select as per your room choice and as per your requirement. And most best durable material and best common material which are used for the wash basin is the ceramic, which are resistant to scratches, stains and corrosions, which ensure for long lasting use. Also, ceramic basins are non-porous, hygienic and easy to clean with mild soap, maintaining a glossy and finish. These are available in various types like pedestal, wall mounted, and also they cater to different bathroom size and your requirement preference. And so friends, some brands like Sierra, Jaguar offer water saving technologies which reduce the water wastage. And now we're going to discuss the price. Actually, the price in India vary based on the material, designs, brand and size. So for the budget basins, which are economically starts from 1,000 rupees, go for to 3,000 rupees, and for a mid-range bathroom basins for a hindware or so money starts from 2,000 rupees to almost 10,000 rupees. And for the premium design basins, which starts from 5,000 to 15,000 rupees. So friends, price may be vary depending upon the retailer, brands, or you can check out the links which I mentioned in the descriptions. So friends, while buying this wash basin, you should remember some important points. Like first is the bathroom size and the space. So always the measure the available space to select an appropriately sized basin. So if you have the small bathrooms, benefit for the corner or wall hung basins. And always check the materials like ceramic or the porcelain, which are durable, affordable and easy to clean, which are available in various designs, ideal for most homes. Another is the installation type, because pedestal like classic study hides the plumbing but takes up the floor space. And another which is wall hung, which are space saving, modern but requires a strong wall for support, so always check this. Another is consider to point is the budget, so set a budget and balance cost with quality. Budget friendly brands like Mariware and Somani offer durable options, while Jaguar and Kohler cater to premium needs. And also ensure the basin has a right number of tap holes and it is compatible for with your chosen faucet size and style. So friends, for a brand reputation, choose the trusted brands like Sierra, Hinware, Jaguar, Pariware, Kohler or Somani for the quality assurance and the warranty. And you can check also the some local brands in the Flipkart also. And always check for the features like overflow holes, built-in soap dispense, or water saving technology for additional functionality. And always check match the basin's designs and color to your bathroom decor interior designs. Ensure it complements other fixtures for cohesive looks, and always check the warranty and the return policy. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to select the best wash machine designs for your bathroom or for your dining area. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to our channel and like this video, share with your friends. And if you're new to my channel, friends, so please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.